Hey guys, it's Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my gacha videos and just how I record it. So basically how I get the screenshots and then put them together and they end up as a video on YouTube, which it's pretty fun to make. So basically we'll go in Gacha Studio. I'm going to got our characters. So there. I'm just going to make this simple. So there. And then I go onto the photo app. And I do it like this. So I'm already screen recording, but basically you can get this app to screen record. Mine is called Record It. That's my recommendation. Not sponsored. And then if you do everything they tell you to, when you first go in the app, that should be there in the bottom left. And you'll learn about it from there. So then I'm already screen recording, as I said, so I would go like this and press the button. Good. And that's it. And then I'd go off it, and then press the top and stop screen recording. That's basically how I make my gacha videos. If you were wondering, and if you wanted to start your own gacha channel. There's also some tutorial videos on my channel where you can learn more about how to use everything in Gacha Studio. From the arena to the chat to the studio, creating your characters. Tells you basically every simple thing you need to know if you want to use Gacha Studio. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Bye!